One of the most important parts of a commercial lease is the repair obligation.
A full repairing and insuring lease, often called an FRI lease, usually means the tenant takes responsibility for repairing and maintaining the property.
Depending on the wording of the lease, this can include the roof, structure, exterior, interior, fixtures and other parts of the premises. The tenant may also be responsible for reimbursing the landlord's building insurance premium.
This can be a major financial risk, especially where the property is already in poor condition before the tenant moves in.
A tenant under an FRI lease can become liable for substantial repair costs, even where the disrepair existed before the lease began. One of the most important protections is a schedule of condition which records the state of the property at the start of the lease and can limit the tenant's repairing liability.
At MJV Solicitors, we advise commercial tenants on FRI leases, repair obligations and schedule of conditions before the lease is signed.